Do you need a haircut? Since we're all at home right now, probably a lot of us do. Well, I'm going to show you how to turn this basic haircut into this layered cut. Hi, I'm AJ from Homeschooler Goes Public, and I really need a haircut. So today I'll be giving you a quick tutorial on how to take your basic haircut into a layered cut in less than 5 minutes. All you'll need are scissors and a hairband, as well as a mirror. It's really easy and it only takes me about 5 minutes. Just start by putting your hair into a ponytail at about the center of the top of your head. Make sure you spend effort on this part because you need to make sure it's free of bumps and very smooth. My hair is naturally thick and curly, so this can sometimes take me a lot of tries, but you really want to make sure you get it about that spot on your head. Once again, make sure the ponytail is tight and free of bumps. Once your hair is in the ponytail, smooth and free of bumps, then you're going to pull the ponytail up and over in front of yourself. Make sure you get to a point where you can see all of your hair in the mirror. If this is your first time cutting your hair in layers, I would seriously recommend only trimming off maybe a ½ an inch to an inch, but because I've done this a couple times, I'm confident enough to take off more than that. So all you're going to do is keep your hand in a consistent place and trim straight across the ponytail. That's all you're going to do. Don't worry about different lengths or anything. You're just going to cut straight across. Do your very best to keep the lengths consistent. Now you probably are thinking, bro, this shouldn't work. What are you talking about? Are you crazy for cutting off your ponytail like that? And the first time, I thought I was. But since then, I've grown really comfortable with giving myself a layered haircut. I honestly think this is my favorite haircut I've ever had. But anyways, once you've cut off the main layer, just go back through and make sure there aren't any little extra pieces or any pieces that are too long that you missed or anything like that. Just make sure everything is a nice even cut. As you can see, because my hair is textured, it took me a little bit to get a nice even cut like I wanted. But once I did that, I just took it out of the ponytail and I smoothed my hair out. So this is what my hair looks like when I first take it out of the ponytail. Not amazing, but not bad either. And I'll be honest, the first time I did this, I freaked when I took it out of the ponytail. I was like, what did I do to myself? Why would I do that? I hate it. And I kind of got really scared. But it takes one wash for me to fall in love with it. Like I said, this is shorter than you should probably cut it your first time. I'm pretty confident at this point from doing it multiple times. So if you want to go shorter, you can. You can do this cut repeatedly. Just make sure you start short when you're just starting out. So now I'm just going to go and give it a wash, and I'll come back and let you know what the results look like. So I've now given it a wash, my normal hair routine, nothing different. As you can see, the triangle is gone. I've now layered my hair, and I love it so much. Now obviously my hair is textured, and yours may not be, but I still can show you what my hair looks like when I've straightened it. So this is my easy DIY layered haircut tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, please hit the like button. And if this is your first time here in Homeschooler Goes Public, please subscribe. Since we're in quarantine right now, why not try out a new haircut? Once again, I'm AJ from Homeschooler Goes Public, and I'll see you later. Bye!